Hey, this is Danny15166, and I'm gonna let my dog have some ducks. These ducks just flew in my yard, and I'm gonna give him a countdown when he's gonna let them out. And I'm gonna know what's coming. See how fast they fly away. So yeah, they just randomly came. Okay, here's your countdown: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let her out. And she found him. She's eating the bread.
They weren't eating it, honey.
They were.
Is that one trying to hide? Leave it up to Patch to eat the bread. Is that pea or something?
Yep. Here's duck crap.
Where's the rest of the bread, honey?
Yeah, that looks good. Here's the other duck crap. And right here. Here's some duck crap also. Yeah. I put it inside.
Roar, 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 roar. I'm gonna hit it with the needle.
No, don't.
No, to get it closer to Patch. Oh.
Pat better not eat it.
Dude. And that was a fail.
Okay. Danny1566 signing off.